to information about sharing pump Terima TE 311. Definition about sharing pump. One way to give the truck a fine with a tool sharing pump. Sharing pump is one of the electromedical equipment that function to insert the liquid medical into the patient body with a certain periodic of time on regulation basis. Basically, the sharing pump consists of several series, namely motor circuit, regulator circuit, comparator circuit, and reference signal circuit. Work principle: the motor will rotate it to drive the sharing to respond to the signal given by the motor controller circuit. But the motor rotation itself is not stable, so that the shank will be detected by the RPM detection circuit. The signal obtained from the RPM detector will be compared with the reference signal, where the result of the comparison will residual motor instability. The motor will residual the speed if the rotation is too fast, and vice versa will increase the speed if the rotating is too slow, so that the motor cycle is stable. The pump steering is designed to have high accuracy and is easy to use. Aim to give the truck a fine with the right dose and amount according to the question of the patient, with the maximum volume of 50 cc per hour. 2. Condition administration of the drug with a measure and precise dose. Part of the sharing pump. The part of the sharing pump Terima TE 311 cheaper include one operating panel in which there are several buttons to operating the sharing pump. 2. Clamp function a sharing pump clamp injection. 3. Slit is a gift to place the sharing. 4. Hold slider. 5. Cloth. 6. Leader. 7. DR.
Okay, thank you. My name is Edy Mulyono. I will explain the work procedure of sharing pump Terima T311. Number 1, bring the tools near the patient. Number 2, prepare the patient sharing and medication. Number 3, pair the sharing on the sharing pump and connect the sharing with intravenous access. Number 4, turn on the sharing pump. Number 5, set the number of medication to be given in cc or hour. Number 6, press start to start an administration medication. Number 7, if something is not right, the tool will give a warning with a sound and a red light. Number 8, evaluation the client response to the administration of fluid.
I'm Setiawan.
I will explain function operation of Syringe pump Terima TE311. In the operation panel or panel 3, there are several parts including 1. Power display consisting AC or DC indicator, the light turn on if the Syringe pump use AC or DC source. Battery indicator. 2. Power switch, function on, turn on and turn off the Syringe pump. 3. Syringe size indicator, shows the size of the syringe. The TE311 syringe pump is capable of detecting inside syringe pump injection with various sizes including 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 milliliter. 5. Start switch is the button to start the process of entering fluid into the patient body. 5. Alarm indicator. There are several alarms between them. Impulsion alarm makes the alarm will sound if there is a change in the process of entering fluid into the patient body. Nearly empty means that the alarm will sound if the liquid contained in the syringe injection will run out or close to run out. Low battery. The alarm will sound if the voltage in the battery is weak so that it does not need to recharge. Flow rate or delivery limit or volume delivered. Display function to display the average flow or flow rate is unit of milliliter per hour. Power switch serves to turn on and turn off the syringe pump. The focus of attention on patients who are attached to the drug using syringe pump, which need to be considered in patient and equipment. 1. Pay attention of the general condition and complaint of patient during therapy. 2. Make sure the drug calculation in accordance with the requirement with the dilution done. 3. Make sure that giving the drug using a syringe pump, the dose entered into circulation in the form of cc per hour so that the dosage is provided as needed. 4. Dilution of the drug is done to make it easier to give the number of doses as needed. Preparation: syringe pump and filler split 10 ml or 20 ml or 30 ml or 50 ml and client loaded contact contactor. Work procedure: 1.